So me and Coy are out here in the shop doing a little work today. What'd you do today, son?
Fixed an oil leak on a tractor.
Fix an oil leak on a tractor. Awesome.
Yep.
Yes, you did. What part did you do?
Held the light.
So who did the fixing?
Probably you.
Yeah, I think so too. But anyway, just a little thunder and lightning storm. A little spring thunder and lightning storm going over past us, behind us. Kind of cool. Of course, it never really wants to thunder and lightning when... Oh, there it goes. There's a little something. Wait for it, son. Listen. Listen. Oh, yeah. Is that cool?
That's so cool.
Get over here, son. Witness something here. What is that?
It's all...
Something's coming.
And then it does.
What is that? What the heck is this? Whoa, Doogie! Doogie! Come on! Come over here, Doogie! Duke! That's hail! Duke! This is big hail? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Holy! Get over here, son! What do we got going on here? What is the haps?
It's hailing.
And lightning and thunder. Holy! This is insane. It's hailing right now as we speak. That's pretty good sized hail. Hail. I'll be damned. Hey. Ow. Dude. Ouch. That sucker hit me right in the ear hole. Come on, son. Yeah, duties. Your duties so fair. What do you think? Hey, look at it. Sweep out. Whoa. This is pretty intense. A little bit here. We're getting some pretty intense hail. You can see Corey, he's the best sweeper there ever was. Look at him go. Holy, it is loud out there. Whoa, lightning. Lightning. Wait for the thunder. Hey son, come here. I want to see if you know something. Come here.
What?
Come here. What comes first, lightning or thunder?
Lightning.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, good job. Passed. All right. Well, this has been fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and let you kick us off here, son.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good job. What?
It's not it.
Oh. Thumbs up. Way to be.
Thumbs up, way to be with the lightning in the background. Woo! Doggy! Doggy.
Gonna keep going.
Keep going.
Gonna keep her going.
Just gonna keep her going. Turn off there, you dumb goddamn there.
Why is it not turning off?
I don't know. What's going on with my phone? I think the lightning's got it.
You can't click the screen.
Get off. How about go potty in the toilet?
That.
Do you need any? No, I don't have to get the gate this time because it's open.
Yeah, you left it.
Boom! Boom! Bam! Oh yeah, is that cool?
Hey, that's so cool.
Thumbs up, way to be.